Okay, I have a little secret. So I kind of lost some of the footage from this, but I have to upload it because it's so good. This is actually probably my favorite way to do my makeup, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to recreate this even though I have the products. So we're going to start with concealer, the brows on the edge control set. I'm using this Say concealer, the best concealer ever, and I'm just using that. I'm really shocked at the color match. I got color matched at Sephora. Check out my Sephora haul if you want to see the shades and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just using it, and I'm like intrigued with the applicator, the cone applicator, and the shade because it's a pretty good match to me. And it's also color correcting, it feels like, at least to me. But I'm going in with that under my eyes, lips, and my chin, just the places that I usually use a highlighter. And then a bridge of the nose as per usual. And then because of the applicator, I was like, yo, let me see if I can carve out my brows. It's this cone applicator, and I love it. So I did that, carved out the eyebrows. I'm really intrigued, which is why I keep on looking at this, because I'm like, yo, what sorcery is in this bottle right now? So I'm just going in with the concealer. Also, I really like the consistency of it, and it doesn't feel too heavy on my skin. So after seeing the color match, I was just like, yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna use this concealer. I'm not using anything else on my face because I want to see how this sets on my face. So now I'm going in and I'm blending it out, and it's skin. It's literally my skin. And it's melting into my skin too, which I love. And it feels super hydrating for my under eyes. It doesn't feel dry at all. But yeah, do you see how that basically looks like my skin? Like if I just set that like that and went outside, you couldn't tell me that's not my face. This is my first impression of using this concealer, and this is my real reaction because I'm just like in awe of what it's doing and how it's blending into my skin. I'm honestly considering going to try the foundation just based off of how this concealer feels, and or going and getting 5 more of these concealers on standby. But then I'm going in with my Pacifica Sun bronzer, and that's pretty much all I'm gonna be using on my face. I'm shaping out the contours of my face with this bronzer, and that's all my base is gonna be. And don't be mad, but the footage I lost was me going in with the One Size Pink powder. This was me basically using everything that I got from my Sephora haul, but that was the footage I lost. After this, I go in with the One Size powder, and it looks so good. And I also used the Micro Smooth, and that's pretty much all I used on my face. And then I used my new Fenty products. Again, the video will be linked of like what products I used. I used like all of the Fenty lip products that I got on my lips because I was just trying to see what my Sephora haul was talking about. But yeah, I just go in with this product. I did not get this from Sephora, the Pacifica one. I already had that, but I didn't want to really do anything with the concealer. I just wanted to see what it was going to look like. And then I'm just cleaning it up since I'm not going in with anything else, and just blending that together. Just blending everything together, and it already looks so good. Yeah, this is when the video cut off, when I was about to put on the powder. But luckily, I have a picture of what my face looked like, and doesn't it look so cute?